I'm thankful for God because many of you, God's instrument for helping us. I thank God very much because after a year, 2008, my house built. Before, it's very small and not exactly beautiful house. So I thank God because of because of the member of Kiba, staff of Kiba. You are the instrument to help us and trusting us to give me a chance to have a capital for our business and to solve my problem about this house to build up because my children have no rooms to sleep well. Also my brother and me have no private room to sleep, and others visitors we have no
place to sleep.
Yes, comfort room. We have no comfort room, you know. Thank God very much.
So what did your house look like before?
Before our rooms very our house very
just like a slum.
Ano to yung tagbi-tagbi talaga sila. Tsaka may our roofs is down. Every time the rains come, many roofs. The rain falling down, when we sleeping, we have to put pail. Yes, falling down, rain in our roof, pail, basin,